This is my keyboard review. It has all of its buttons. Even has features on the side. See here, you can like skip music or turn up shit. Got fucking, don't know what that is. Got the fucking pause button. Got the Internet Explorer. Like who the fuck uses the Internet Explorer? It's a CyberPower PC keyboard. You know, it's yeah, it has the fucking color WASD for the pro gamers out there, you know, even the arrow keys, because I'm nobody uses fucking arrow keys. But yeah, this is a pretty well keyboard. I'd say it's around like 8 out of 10, maybe even a 7 out of 10, because it's not like as good as the ones you see on the market right now. Um, I did fuck it up pretty bad though, like this thing, it just, yeah, yeah, but overall this keyboard's pretty good. Yeah, you know, I'm gonna be 100% honest. I fucking despise this keyboard. Like, honestly, I could just fucking hate this shit, bro.